Hey guys, Filmy Bandit welcomes you, your one-stop destination for glamorous celebrity fashion and unforgettable red carpet moments. In today's video, we're admiring Kiara Advani's hot and elegant look in a chocolate-colored dress at the Pinkvilla Style Icon Awards 2026. The moment she stepped onto the red carpet, all eyes were instantly drawn towards her. Dressed in a rich chocolate-toned outfit, Kiara looked absolutely stunning. The deep color added a luxurious and sophisticated vibe to her overall appearance. The sleek silhouette of the dress perfectly highlighted her graceful and confident presence. Her confident walk made the entire moment feel like a high-fashion runway. The elegant design of the outfit added a modern and refined touch. Her glowing makeup beautifully complemented the warm tones of the dress. The hairstyle gave the entire look a polished and glamorous finish. Every pose she gave to the photographers looked effortlessly stylish. The outfit reflected the light subtly, creating a soft and elegant shine. Her radiant smile added warmth and charm to the entire look. The combination of bold color and classy styling created a powerful fashion statement. With the stunning appearance at the Pinkvilla Style Icon Awards 2026, Kiara Advani once again proved why she is one of the most admired fashion icons on the red carpet. As the evening progressed, her chocolate-toned dress continued to turn heads across the red carpet. The rich color looked even more stunning under the bright event lights. Her confident posture added a strong and elegant presence to the overall look. Every step she took reflected grace, poise, and effortless style. The smooth texture of the dress created a subtle shine with every movement. Her calm and composed expressions made every photograph look flawless. Even in candid moments, she appeared polished and camera-ready. The warm tones of her makeup enhanced the depth of the outfit beautifully. Her hairstyle perfectly complemented the sleek and sophisticated look. Every time she turned towards the cameras, the outfit looked even more striking. The combination of minimal styling and bold color created a standout fashion moment. Her radiant smile added charm and warmth to the glamorous appearance. The overall styling reflected a perfect blend of modern elegance and classic appeal. Fashion lovers instantly admired the refined and confident look she carried. Her presence added a luxurious and stylish vibe to the entire event. With the stunning appearance, Kiara Advani once again proved that confidence, elegance, and the right styling can turn any outfit into a true red carpet masterpiece. As the cameras kept flashing, her glamorous look continued to dominate the spotlight. The deep chocolate shade gave the outfit a rich and timeless appeal. Her confident aura made the entire appearance feel powerful and captivating. Every pose she struck looked straight out of a high-fashion editorial. The sleek structure of the dress added a sharp and modern edge to the look. Her graceful movements made the outfit flow beautifully with every step. The subtle shimmer of the fabric enhanced the elegance of the overall styling. Her expressive eyes and confident smile added personality to every frame. Even the simplest gestures felt refined and full of charm. The balanced styling ensured the dress remained the true highlight of the look. Her presence elevated the glamour quotient of the entire red carpet. Each captured moment reflected sophistication, confidence, and style. Fashion enthusiasts couldn't stop admiring the richness of the overall appearance. The combination of bold color and effortless grace made the look unforgettable. With this breathtaking appearance at the Pinkvilla Style Icon Awards 2026, Kiara Advani once again proved that true style lies in confidence, elegance, and the ability to own every moment with grace. As the red carpet buzz grew louder, Kiara's presence continued to steal the spotlight effortlessly. The richness of the chocolate shade looked even more striking with every camera flash. Her confident stance added a bold and powerful edge to the entire look. Every step she took reflected elegance, control, and effortless glamour. The clean lines of the dress enhanced its modern and sophisticated appeal. Her graceful turns gave the photographers multiple stunning angles to capture. The soft glow of the fabric added a refined shine under the event lights. Her poised expressions made every frame look polished and high fashion. Even in between poses, she maintained a natural and composed elegance. The minimal accessories allowed the outfit to remain the center of attention. Her glowing makeup beautifully highlighted her features and complemented the outfit. The hairstyle added a sleek and classy finish to the entire appearance. Fashion lovers admired the simplicity combined with bold styling. Her overall look created a perfect balance between luxury and modern fashion. With this unforgettable appearance at the Pinkvilla Style Icon Awards 2026, Kiara Advani once again proved that elegance, confidence, and timeless styling always create the most iconic fashion moments.